everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. My name is Akansha Dubey and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the human excretory system. But before that, please like my channel, share it and subscribe it for more videos. Okay, so let us discuss about the excretory system of human. Life of every organism depends on certain basic processes. Excretion is one among them. So, do you all know what is excretion? Okay, if you don't know, not at all a problem. So, different organisms follow different mode of excretion. In complex organism, including human, there is a specialized system for the excretion called human excretory system. So, we all obtain our nutrients from different sources which are later digested and metabolized in our body. After metabolic reaction, the body starts to sort out useful and toxic substances in an individual. As we all know, the accumulation of toxic substances may be harmful and body need removes all the metabolic waste by the process called excretion. Different organisms follow different mode of excretion such as kidney, lungs, skin and eyes depending on their food habit and their habitat. For example, aquatic animals excrete waste in the form of ammonia while birds and insects excrete mainly uric acid and human produce urea as a major excretory product. So let us have a detailed look at the human excretory system. The main excretory organs include a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureter, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs located on either side of the backbone and are protected by ribs and muscles of the back. Each human adult kidney has a length of 10 to 12 centimeter and a width of 5 to 7 centimeter and weight around 120 to 170 gram. Many people know that major function of the kidney is to remove waste products and excess fluid from the body. These waste products and excess fluid are removed through the urine. The production of urine involves highly complex steps of excretion and reabsorption. The kidneys are powerful chemical factories that perform the following functions: remove waste products from the body, remove drugs from the body, balance the body tissues, release hormones that regulate blood pressure, produce an active form of vitamin D that promotes strong and healthy bones, and control the production of red blood cells. Did you know that our left kidney is slightly larger than our right kidney, as you can see in this model? And do you know that every minute 1200 ml of blood enters the kidney for purification, which is 20% of the total blood pumped by the heart? So, in one day, 1700 liters of blood is purified by the kidneys. So, this is all about the kidneys. Now, let us move on to the ureter. Ureter is a tube that carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. The upper half of the ureter is located in the abdomen and the lower half is located in the pelvic area. Ureter is about 10 to 12 inches long and in the average adult human being. Okay, now let's move to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is like a stomach. Is an expandable sac-like organ that contracts when it is empty. The inner lining of the bladder tucks into the folds and expands out to accommodate liquid when empty. The bladder muscle wall becomes thicker and the entire bladder becomes thin. As the ureter two tubes that expel urine from the kidneys to the bladder fill the bladder, the muscle wall thins and the bladder moves upward toward the abdominal cavity. This is all about the urinary bladder. Now let us move to the upper portion that is called adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is a very important gland in our body. It is a small gland that makes steroid hormones like adrenaline and noradrenaline. These hormones help control heart rate, blood pressure and other important body functions. There are two adrenal glands, one on top of each kidneys, as you can see in this yellow color, located on the top of each kidneys. These glands are also called suprarenal gland. So friends, this is all about the adrenal gland. Now let's move to the urethra. Urethra is a tube-like structure that connects the urinary bladder to the urinary meters for the removal of urine from the human body. The urethra is held closed by the urethral sphincter, a muscular structure that helps keep urine in the bladder until voiding can occur. So friends, this is all about the urethra. Now let's talk about renal artery, which you can see in the red color here. This carries the unfiltered blood from the body to the kidney, where it is filtered with the help of nephrons called the functioning unit of kidney. So now let's talk about this blue vein is called renal vein. This carries the filtered blood from the kidneys to the body. So this is all about the excretory system in human. I hope you all like it. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.